I'm Dr. Micheal Dodd. My experience prior to this class was limited bone grafts, and technically I placed 4 implants about 10 years ago, but effectively 0 experience in implants. I did expect it to be very thorough with implants. I was a little bit surprised with the amount of knowledge we got on prosthetics, restorations, and also sales, and sales, communicating with patients and with team members. I placed 21 implants in total. In dentistry, sales is kind of a bad word, but he kind of told us that no, it's really what it is. And I wasn't expecting to hear anything about sales, and it really kind of opened my eyes. The atmosphere is great. Dr. Chaffin, Dr. Brown, it's just fun. They're fun guys to be around. And the rest of the staff really work well together. It's a nice facility. Everything runs really smoothly here, but a lot of good personalities here. I would say fun. I look at this as a life changer. I've started my implant journey now. I feel like I have a good start, but it's just continuing from here. I think my dentistry from here on out will be different than what I've been doing in the past, absolutely.